Hello students, very good morning. Welcome to Narayana live classes. Today for class 10 students, we are going to discuss assignment number 19 on coordinate geometry. Let us see the first question. The ratio in which the point P2, 3 divides the line segment joining the points 5, 6 and 8, 9. Suppose we have a concept of this. Suppose there is a point P. P can be either here or externally. It can be internal point or external point. Let us suppose this is some A, this is some B. If it is x1, y1, it is xy. P can be either internal point or external point. Let it be any. The concept is same. B is x2, y2. If at all you are asked to find out the ratio in which P divides the line segment joining AB, what ratio you have to take is x1 minus x is to x minus x2. This is what we have to consider. Whenever you are asked to find out the ratio in which given point divides the line segment joining two more points x1 y1 and x2 y2, that is given by x1 minus x is to x minus x2, or we can take y1 minus y is to y minus y2. Either of them, any of them is, both are equal. Okay, any of them you can use. Using this, we are going to solve this question. Now, we are given P point as 2, 3. This is some x, y. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2, right? Okay. The required ratio is equal to. The required ratio is equal to, what is the formula I told you? x1 minus x is to x minus x2. x1 minus x is to x minus x2. What is x1 for us? 5. Minus, what is x2 is to. What is x2 minus x2 is 8. That is nothing but 3 is to minus 6. That is nothing but 1 is to minus 2. 1 is to minus 2. That is nothing but minus 1 is to 2. Whatever. So, wherever you have the ratio negative, what is the meaning of it? That point is dividing the line segment joining 5, 6 and 8, 9 in the ratio 1 is to 2 externally. If the division is external division, the ratio will become minus. If the division is internal, the ratio becomes positive. So, answer for this question is 1 is to 2 externally. Of course, here 1 is to 2 internally is also given, but the ratio is negative. So, the answer will be 1 is to 2 externally. This is how we have to solve this question. Now, let us see the next question. The ratio in which 2, 3 divides the line segment joining. Similar kind of question. Here also we have x, y as 2, 3. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Find the required ratio. The required ratio. What is required ratio? The ratio in which 2, 3 divides the line segment joining 4, 8 and minus 2, minus 7. That is the required ratio. That is equal to x1 minus x is to x minus x2. What is x1 value for us? 4. Minus x is 2. 2 minus x2 is how much? Minus 2. So minus of minus 2. That is 4 minus 2. 2 is to 2 minus of minus 2. That is 2 plus 2. 4. That is equal to 1 is to 2. Now the ratio has become positive. If the ratio is positive, the division is internal division. So the answer for this question is 1 is to 2 internally. Fourth option is the right answer. Fine. Let us see the next question. The point which divides the line joining the points a plus b, a minus b and a minus b, a plus b in the ratio a is to b. So, solution is we have to get the coordinates of the point px, y. That is given by mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. What is this? The ratio in which if you have a point P, some x, y joining the points A, x1, y1 and B, x2, y2. These are the 2 points. These are the 2 points. This line segment is divided by P in the ratio m is to n. This line segment AB is divided by the P point in the ratio m is to n. Then if you want the coordinates of P, in the earlier questions we found out the ratio. If P is given, m is to n, ratio we found out. Here m is to n is given, you are finding the point. So, to find out the coordinates of P, the formula is mx2 plus mx1 by m plus n. m by 2 plus n by 1 by m plus n. This is what we call as section formula. Section formula. Right? Now, that is equal to, what is m? Ratio is given as a is to b. So, m is to n is a is to b. A into x2. This point is x1 y1. This point is x2 y2. Mx2, yeah, a into a minus b plus b into x1. What is x1? A plus b by m plus n, that is a plus b, comma a into y2. What is y2 for us? A plus b plus b into, what you can say, n y1. What is y1? A minus b by again a plus b. You have to simplify that. Then it is going to be a square minus ab plus ab plus b square by a plus b. Here a square plus ab plus ab minus b square by a plus b. Here any simplification, minus a plus ab cancels. We are left with a square plus b square by a plus b, that is abscissa. Ordinate is a square minus b square plus 2ab. Here they won't cancel because both are positive sign. So 2ab, a square minus b square by a plus b. So this is nothing but a square plus b square by a plus b, a square minus b square, nothing but the third option. So third option is the coordinates of the point P. That is the third option. That is fine. Let us see the next question. If 2 comma minus 3 comma minus 2 comma 1 are points of trisection of a comma b, then a and b are. Very interesting question. We have somewhere, this is point A, let us suppose, this is point B. We have 2 points which are points of trisection. What do you mean by points of trisection? 2 points are said to be points of trisection of the line segment joining AB if they divide AB in the ratio 1:2 or 2:1 internally. 1:2, 2:1. Positive ratios means internal division only. So P divides in the ratio 1:2, Q divides in the ratio 2:1. This is the ratio. Then we say that P and Q are points of trisection. That is one point. If at all P and Q are the points of trisection, here AP length, PQ length, QB length all will be same. What do you understand here? AP length, PQ length and QB length will be same. If it is the case, for A and Q, P will be the midpoint. P will be the midpoint of AQ. For AQ, P is the midpoint. Similarly, for PB, Q is the midpoint. That is what we have to understand. What we have to say? P is the midpoint of AQ and Q is the midpoint of PB. This is also what we can get out of it. Now you don't know what is A, what is B. Let me take it as x1, y1 and B let me take it as x2, y2. P point I have already, that is 2 minus 3. Q point I have already, minus 2 comma 1. Okay. Now P is the midpoint of AQ bar. Midpoint of AQ bar, that is x1 minus 2 by 2 comma y1 plus 1 by 2, that is going to be 2 comma minus 3. This is the first point. Then I can say x1 minus 2 is equal to, you can make equal these two as well as these two equal. If there are two ordered pairs which are equal, then first coordinates we can make equal as well as second coordinates we can make equal. So x1 minus 2 is 4, that implies x1 is 6. y1 plus 1, that is minus 6, that implies y1 is minus 7. So a x1 y1 coordinates of A are 6 comma minus 7. Coordinates of A are 6 comma minus 7. So first option. Next, if you look at the second case, midpoint of Q is the midpoint of PB. Then we can say 2 plus x2 by 2 comma minus 3 plus y2 by 2, that is going to be minus 2 comma 1. Therefore 2 plus x2 is equal to minus 4, that implies x2 is minus 6. Similarly, minus 3 plus y2 is equal to 2, that implies y2 is 5. So B coordinates x2, y2 are given by minus 6 comma 5. Minus 6 comma 5. So minus 6 comma 5 is the second option for us. So 6 comma minus 7 are the coordinates of A, minus 6 comma 5 are the coordinates of B. This is how we can solve it. Fine. Now let us see the next question. P is equal to minus 5 comma 4, Q is equal to minus 2 comma 3. If P Q bar is produced to R, this is P, somewhere you have Q here, here it is R. P Q is produced to R such that P divides QR externally. See, P is an external division. P is dividing QR externally. Yes, it is seen. See the diagram. P is external to the line segment joining Q and R. And in the ratio 1:2. What is the meaning of that? P to Q, whatever distance. Suppose the distance is 1 unit. So 1 unit. P to R, the distance will be 2 units. That is the meaning of it. So P divides QR in the ratio 1:2 externally means this is what we have to understand. If this total P to Q, the distance is 1 unit, P to R distance is 2 units. It means if this is 1, this is also 1. This distance is also 1 unit. 1 unit plus 1 unit, that is nothing but 2 units. Understood? So obviously Q will be the midpoint of PR. That is what we can consider here. Here Q is the midpoint of PR. What do you need to know? We know P. P is how much? Minus 5 comma 4. We know Q. Minus 2 comma minus 3. R is the question mark. Let us take it as x comma y. R is don't know. We don't know what is R. We'll take it as x comma y. Now therefore you can say minus 2 comma minus 3, that is equal to minus 5 plus x by 2 comma 4 plus y by 2. That is what we can infer. So if it are to simplify this, minus 5 plus x, that is minus 4. That implies x is equal to 1. Next, 4 plus y, that is equal to minus 6. It implies y is equal to minus 10. So x comma y is 1 comma minus 10. Coordinates of R are how much now? R is equal to 1 comma minus 10. These are the coordinates of R here. 1 comma minus 10 is nothing but second option for us. That is the right answer. Okay, so that is the end of this assignment. Thank you. Have a great day.